Greetings, this is your Airbnb host, Jake here, and if you're watching this video, it sounds like you may want to adjust the air conditioner. Now, the first recommendation is that you do this with caution. These things are still confusing to me a little bit, and so we have made it a little bit difficult to first get the reins to do this. So, I will give you the instructions, and then hopefully you're able to navigate this as you need. If you look ahead, this is one of the mini splits, and there are 6 of them throughout the house. This remote can control all of them. The way that you start is power it on, and this icon here tells you what mode it's in. That is the key thing to know. They all need to be in the same mode, as in one can't be on heat, another can't be on dehumidifier. They all have to be on the same. We recommend that you always keep it on this, which is the air conditioning. You're probably here during the summer, and that should be plenty. So what you do is you go to here, and so this is on. As you can see, it says 76 degrees. If you want to adjust it, you just point it, and you change it, and you turn it down, okay? And it'll go down. Say you want to go to another one, you just go to the other one, point it at the same place, and you start controlling it in the other one. If you do need to turn on the heat, you press mode. That is dehumidifier. That is just the fan. And that is heat. But you cannot have one on heat and another on AC. So again, use this cautiously and try and keep it simple. Otherwise, you might spend your whole vacation learning how this remote control works.